Good morning, student. Today start the paper 2. Name of paper 2 of same third is radiation and statistical physics. In the today's lecture start the unit second of this paper 2. This is in unit 2. This is the introductory part, introduction of statistical physics. Here in introduction of statistical physics we study what is probability, second zero probability, third one probability, fourth the laws of probability. Here what is probability? We know what? We know playing card. In playing card, how many cards? 52 cards. How many color? 4 colors. Suppose we want the king of aces. Then the total number of cards is 52. The king of aces is only 1. Therefore, the probability in this case is 1 by 52. That means what is the definition of probability? We know simple coin. In case of coin, two faces, one is head and the another is tail. Then when you throw the coin in the air, two probability, either head is up or tail is up. No confirm the head come or tail come. That means what is the probability in case of coin? That is the half, because the two faces, one is tail and the another is head. That means what is definition of probability? The probability is nothing but the ratio of, it is denoted by letter P. This probability is nothing but the ratio of the number of happening event to total number of event. Number of happening event to total number of event. Suppose here, for example, m time event is happening. That means we get result. And n time event is fail. M time event is happening, n time event is fail. Therefore, the probability of happening event is m by m plus n, because the m plus n is total number of event occur. Out of this total number, the m time is happening, we get the result, and n time is fail. The probability of fail event is n by m plus n, right? Therefore, the total probability is equal to probability of happening event plus probability of fail event. Therefore, the total probability is always 1. Total probability is always 1. Here, in case of probability, the probability of happening event is 1. Probability of, this is for happening event, and the probability of fail event is 0. Therefore, the values of probability 0 is always less than p, is always less than 1. The value of probability lies between 0 and 1. Then, what is 0 probability? What is 0 probability? We know, in case of die, how many faces? In case of die, we consider the one die. Here 6 faces. On each faces, the mark is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when we throw the die, out of these 6 faces, one face is in upside. One face is in upside. Therefore, the probability of die is 1 by 6. The probability of coin is, we know, in case of coin, 2 faces. One is tail and another is head. And out of 2 faces, when you throw the coin in the air, no prediction, no confirmation, head are in upside or tail is in upside. Therefore, its probability is half. Probability of coin is half. Probability of die is 1 by 6. Right. Then, your aim is, we define 0 probability. Zero probability is, this is the impossible event. This event is not occur. Suppose the we want is 7. We want, in case of die, 7 faces in upside. Therefore, the probability, this is the impossible, because in case of die only 6 faces, not 7. Therefore, this is called impossible event. This is called 0 probability. 0 probability. That means probability of 7 in case of die is 0. Right. Again, the total probability is always 1. We know already equation. M is the favorable number of event and N is the fail number of event, and the total number of event is M plus N. We get 1. Total probability is always 1. Then less than 1 probability. Less than 1 probability. That means when you take the probability of 7 in case of die is the, that is 6 by 6 is always 1, is always 1. Then what are the rules of probability? Rules of probability. One is additive rule. and second is multiplicative rule. What is the addition rule? In case of addition rule, here the one event is prevent of other. Therefore, the total probability in this case is the probability of first plus probability of second. In case of multiplicative rule, it is the independent probability which is not dependent. Therefore, total probability is multiple, that is the probability of first, then the probability of second. And today stop here.